Around me, you can see aluminum round bars, square bars, flat bars, hex bars, tubes, and various diameters of solid bars. Right now, I'm standing next to one of our large diameter tin bronze solid bars, C83600/LG2 grade, diameter 550 millimeters, single piece weight over 2.8 tons. All materials come with original mill certificates and third-party inspection reports upon request. Welcome serious inquiries from project buyers and distributors worldwide.